It's VFX time. In this one, we're gonna composite CGI hair with the live action footage. Hi everyone, this is Dyson. My pleasure to be here. Okay, before I begin with this one, based on this community post, the next video render everything in Karma will be RBD bullet solver or RBD destruction, and I began to research about that, and yeah, it's a bit challenging and it's have a kind of trick, but stay tuned for that. That will be the next video. Okay, back to this. In this one, we are going to composite 3D or CGI hair with the live action footage, which in the live action we have hair too, but boy, believe it or not, it's so headache to composite 3D hair with the live action footage. And of course, as you can see, it's so challenging. If you want to use a custom AOV with the hair AOV, you're gonna have a problem. You see, I couldn't do that in Nuke, but I figured it out in Houdini. So we're gonna talk about matching the look of the hair, you see, which is matching the guide of the hair. You see, we're gonna match that with the live action footage. And of course, we're gonna blend the hair, and we're gonna drive that based on attribute. You see that? Okay. Then of course, we're gonna match the material and the color of the hair, and that will be the specular and the base and the melanin, of course. And after that, blending with the skin. That's the problem, and that's the big challenge. We're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna solve that. Okay, all that only on my Patreon. See you in the next one. Peace out. I feel the